Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is in paid collaboration with Foxy. So Foxy is a platform, it's an amazing platform for influencers to connect with great brands and also for customers to shop. Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great and you all are safe. So if you're tuning in here for the very first time, do subscribe my channel. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, today I'm going to review few of Mamaearth products. So let me tell you about Mamaearth. Mamaearth made all their products SLS free, paraben free and all free from harmful chemicals, which is very impressive. So today I'm going to review this Mamaearth Ubtan face wash and Mamaearth Ubtan face mask. So they are the same variant and they have the similar kind of ingredients, saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. So I really wanted to try this one so badly because it helps to remove your tan instantly. Heading towards its review, I would love to give you a brief description about what tanning is. So let me tell you guys, tanning is nothing unhealthy. Tanning is caused by UVA radiation and it's the body's way of protecting your skin from sun damage. So UVA radiation penetrate to your lower layer of epidermis and then they trigger their cells to produce melanocytes, which produce melanin, which is a brown pigment, and then it causes all tanning things. So it's nothing unhealthy, it's just body's way of protecting your skin from sun damage. Start talking about their key ingredients. So they have turmeric and saffron. So turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which is known to restore your natural glow, and also turmeric helps to make your skin even tone. You guys know this, and turmeric has numerous skin benefits. Not only this, it extract also helps to reduce acne scars, hyperpigmentation, dark spots and whatnot. So yeah, it has also saffron in it, which helps to provide your skin more glow, and it has potassium in it, which helps in cell formation and cell repair. Not only this, it has lot of vitamins and antioxidant. Saffron also known to increase your blood circulation, improve your blood circulation and enhance your complexion. So let's talk about the face wash. Its texture is kind of scrub only. So if you are using this face wash, you don't need extra scrub. I think it's a good multi-purpose product, so it will also exfoliate your skin at the same time, and just after the application you can see the instant brightness on your face. You can feel extra softness on your face, and yeah, everything is perfect about this face wash. Also you will feel like every gunk and dirt is out of your face and you will feel more clean. So yeah, overall it's perfect, but I would like to suggest one thing only, that use this face wash only twice or thrice, or when you need exfoliation or scrubbing, use this then only. And I think I would suggest you the best option is use this one when you're going to use any face mask or this face mask. This both products will give you even more good results. So yeah. So now let's talk about the face pack. So this comes with the spatula to apply the face mask, which is very good, and you get a whole lot of quantity, I think, which is worth every penny. You can see I have used it twice and still it's left so much. Yeah, the face pack also contains all the benefits of saffron and turmeric, but it also contains one more beneficial ingredient, that is apricot oil, which is so amazing. Apricot oil is very soothing for your skin and it's non-comedogenic oil. It also helps to cure acne. Apricot oil has vitamin E and vitamin A. It also helps to improve your skin tone. It maintains the softness of your skin and also it provides the radiance to your skin. Face mask really gives you glowy, even toned skin, and it will not strip off your natural moisture. In fact, it will make your skin super soft and it will make your skin like a baby skin. This face mask is definitely worth it. Here I end my video, so I would definitely recommend you guys these products. They are really amazing. You can give this a try if you don't have patience for those natural remedies to work on your face, but still I would suggest you to do a patch test and go ahead, because natural ingredients are also sometimes allergic. But yeah, but these products has not given me a single side effect, so they are really amazing. And also I would like to tell you one more thing, guys. If you really want something to work on your face, you have to do your skincare religiously. You have to drink a lot of water and you have to use that product religiously. Then only you will get to see any sort of outcome on your face. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you found it informative. If you did, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do like my video. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching me.